I may or may not have hijacked the living room for this photo shoot. Oh, I already see that it's gonna work. Oh, yeah. Hey, so I love that moody feel to my photos, and then especially with portraits, and I have a feeling you do too, otherwise you wouldn't have clicked on this video. And I was like, why not shoot these portraits at home? So that's exactly where we are right now. You're in my room. Hi. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing how to take moody portraits at home. And for this photo shoot, I sort of want to recreate lighting coming through the window, sort of creating that motel vibe. I'll just add some photos in here, and I may or may not have hijacked the living room for this photo shoot. Is it okay if I claim the living room tonight? Yes?
It's your show.
Yes?
Yeah, why? What are your plans?
I'm gonna make something awesome. And I asked my sister to model for this photo shoot. And the key to get that sort of vibe of the lighting shining through the window is to use external lighting. And I love using lighting on my photo shoots. It just helps bring my vision to life, and it also makes photos so much more dramatic. Yeah, let's just start setting it up. I feel like I've already talked way too much, so let's dive into the photo shoot. And the first one I'm gonna set up is the light outside, because this one is the most important for the photo shoot. It's gonna create that dramatic backlight. We're gonna be using the Molus G200 from Obsidian Tech. If you look on the back, it looks like something from a computer, because it has these little fans in it. So I've used the lights of Obsidian Tech in one of my previous videos as well, with the exit sign. Maybe you've seen that video, but the lights, they brought my whole photo to life. I'm so happy with how they turned out. This is one of the new lights Obsidian Tech brought out, and it is freaking powerful. It's actually insane. So this is a 200 watts LED light. That's very, very strong.
Turn it on. Oh!
This is, how many percentage do you think this is?
Looks like 50?
This is 20%.
20? Put up to 100.
And you can change the temperature of the G200 as well. Pick a card, any card. Something life-changing for this photo shoot is using these guys in front of your lighting. These are gels, and I've sticked them with duct tape in front of the G200. It's literally perfect. I think I paid 15 euro for this whole packet, and honestly, you can turn your light into a light with, let's say, red, green, blue, pink, whatever you want, just by sticking a gel in front of your light. Oh, I already see that it's gonna work. Like, look at the, oh yeah. Look at the shadows inside, like in the living room. Look at that. Like, oh yeah, this is gonna be cinematic.
Good time.
That, yeah. Okay, that's step one of our lighting setup, because I'm gonna use this light as a backlight, and I'll show you in a bit what I mean with that. But now we need a fill light as well. So I'm gonna set that one up, because I have a very interesting little tool for that one. Do I look like a mushroom?
You look like a hot air balloon.
A hot air balloon. Hi guys! So I attached this diffuser onto the Bowens mount on the G200, and this helps to diffuse our lights so nicely. It creates that very natural look. Like, actually, I'm using it right now as well for this video. Do we like it? I like it. Wait, I'll just show you the setup. Ta-da! Look at this massive lantern. I'm gonna leave this lantern at such a small percentage, because I still want to have that effect of the backlight, and I feel like if we're gonna put this one at like 100% brightness, then we just set that light up for nothing. So I'm gonna keep it at 2%, but we can always change that during the shoot. And this second light is gonna help fill out our model a little bit, and with that I mean just bringing back some details in her face, brightening her up a little bit as well, and it also helps me to focus on the model whilst I'm shooting. Otherwise my camera is gonna have a hard time picking up the subject in my photo as well. And the nice thing about shooting at home as well is that you can just make as much of a mess as you want. Take as much time as you need for a shoot.
You're not gonna get kicked out.
And you're not gonna get, yeah.
Security's not gonna come through that door right now.
Just the whole effect of the backlight from outside was so cool.
Yeah. Oh. Huh. Wow, looks amazing.
So yeah, the setup's done. Let's start shooting. So if you can just make very big movements, because I feel like that accentuates that silhouette effect. For this shoot, I was shooting with my Canon R6 and then I was using the Sigma 35mm f1.4. Okay, so I really want to spice up the shots a bit, create a bit more of an atmosphere in the photo. So this, what I'm holding right here, is the key to that, because this is atmospheric spray. And I've used it in previous videos as well, in previous photo shoots, and I love it. And I'm going to show you why I love it so much. Wow. Maybe you can sit on the ground. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, hold. Looking into the light a little bit. Wow. I forgot to tell you something. When you press onto the dim button and the CCT button at the same time, you enter a new world. No, I'm joking. You turn on the max extreme mode and you get up to 300 watts of lighting. So that is a lot of light for your photo shoots. Okay, back to the video. I was so happy with the shots we were getting. It just feels amazing when something turns out exactly how you imagined. But I still wanted to switch it up a little bit, so I decided to go into the hallway and place the light from above, so over like second level in her house. So I pointed the light down and that created this very dramatic look because the light is falling down. When light is falling down, it creates harsher shadows in the face, and on the stairs as well, it created harsher shadows. Super simple setup, just one light needed, but it created such a cool effect. I asked Julia to sit on the stairway, sort of leaning back, looking up into the lighting. And I know like lighting can be a bit expensive sometimes. Like you go into a camera store and you can buy a lighting setup for like 2 grand. And yeah, in my opinion, of course it's worth to invest in your gear, but that is very expensive. And that's something I like with this set, because this set is 400 euro. I really enjoy using these lights, not only for my photo shoot, but as you can see, also for my video. So yeah, I linked it all down in the description if you want to check it out. Yeah, that was our photo shoot. I think we shot for around an hour and a half, so not even that long. And we created 2 different setups to shoot with, which I'm very happy about because I love how the photos turned out. So since we were working with quite a strong color in the photos, I decided to keep the edit pretty like neutral and simple because I didn't want to mess too much with the colors. I feel like that was just gonna clash. So yeah, that wraps up the shoot. If you have any more questions about my lighting setup, the editing, what else, like just shoot your message into the comments and yeah, I'll happily answer them for you. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and I also hope to see you in my next one. Okay, bye bye.